Are you looking to cook some top sirloin steaks for dinner tonight? Or maybe you might be looking to roast your favorite fish with some lemon. If so, maybe some light and crispy baked coconut shrimp might go along perfect. And for dessert, how about a moist and flavorful lemon honey cake? Well, let me tell you that all this can be done in a Thermador wall oven as they combine their professional grade performance with their sleek modern design, making them a standout choice for serious home cooks. With advanced features which we will talk about today and a style for every kitchen, they are built to elevate everyday meals into culinary experiences. Speaking of style, there are two style options to choose from. Pictured on the left is the Masterpiece 30-inch wide single wall oven, and on the right is the professional style in the 30-inch single wide wall oven. The Masterpiece is sleek and refined. It brings that minimalist European-inspired aesthetic to any kitchen. It features smooth, polished handles and a completely knob-free design, offering a seamless look with elegant touch controls that enhance both style and functionality. The Professional collection adds a bold, professional touch to your kitchen with the restaurant-inspired design. The big difference, you'll notice, is the robust tubular handles with chrome standoffs, and of course, those tactile control knobs. As a bonus, whether you're looking at the Masterpiece or Professional, both offer side swing doors on select wall ovens, a thoughtful feature that enhances accessibility and overall kitchen workflow. By allowing the door to open to the side, either left or right swing, these ovens make it easier to reach inside without leaning over a hot oven door, which is especially valuable for those with limited mobility or in tighter kitchen spaces. Let's dive into the features. I'll highlight the ones that matter the most and are worth watching for in your next oven, like this fast preheat. Thermador's super fast preheat features preheating your oven in 7 minutes. Soft close hinges will prevent slamming and ensure ultra smooth closing of the oven door. Thermador ovens are air fry compatible, offering a healthier way to achieve crispy, golden results by using rapid air circulation and less oil. And for those who like self-clean, there is a mode that cleans the interior walls in as little as 2 hours. The multi-point meat probe enables temperature readings from multiple points for precision and consistency. You'll notice the heavy-duty removable rotisserie, and it will cook up to a 12-pound roast and poultry evenly on all sides. Following your meal, simply place the rotisserie in the dishwasher to clean it. The true convection baffle system allows hot air to flow evenly throughout the oven, perfect for baking, roasting, and all the above. This is perfect for optimal results without flavor transfer. And lastly, one of my favorite features has to be the racking. The full access telescopic racks glide smoothly on ball bearings, allowing them to extend for safe, easy access, all while supporting the heaviest dishes. When you pair your oven with Home Connect, smart device notifications will also let you know when your dish is ready to be savored. Also, don't forget that Thermador single wall ovens can be paired with a warming drawer to keep dishes hot until serving, or the storage drawer to keep cookware organized and within reach. And there you have it. Thermador wall ovens bring together innovation, design, and performance to elevate your cooking experience every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss out on an update on our latest appliance reviews and kitchen inspiration.